So the House Prosecution panel is pleased to announce the successful completion of the pre-trial proceedings in the impeachment case against Vice President Sara Duterte. After 5 days of pre-trial conferences from June 18 and June 22 to 25, we have completed the marking of documentary exhibits, identification of our intended witnesses, submitted our respective proposals for stipulations, and made appropriate manifestations and requests in preparation for the trial proper on July 6. The good news is that with the completion of the pre-trial proceedings, the impeachment trial is now set to commence on July 6. We welcome this important milestone because it allows the constitutional process to move forward and gives the Filipino people the opportunity to hear the evidence, examine the facts, and know the truth through a fair, transparent, and orderly trial. We express our sincere appreciation to the Secretariat of the Impeachment Court for its guidance and the accommodations that it extended to both parties, which enabled us to complete this extensive process despite the thousands of documentary exhibits involved, particularly those relating to the articles of impeachment on explained wealth and confidential funds. From the very beginning, the House Prosecution panel has remained committed to one objective: to complete the pre-trial proceedings as expeditiously and efficiently as possible while ensuring that the process remains fair, orderly, and faithful to the Constitution. We believe that this objective has been achieved. So this morning, we are ready to proceed to provide you an update on the completed pre-trial proceedings, address matters raised during the conference, and discuss the next steps as we prepare for the formal commencement of the impeachment trial.